Catnip is definitely the favorite herb for the cat. But do you know you can replace the catnip, the grass with the catnip hydrosol for your cat and also for yourself, the cat lover, because the catnip hydrosol has a lot of benefits to our soothing the skin, have a calming effects, and also insect repellent, cooling effect on the skin. So this is a wonderful combination. It can be used all year round for the human and also for your favorite pet cat. So this video is going to show you how to make this wonderful Catnip Hydrosol by using ADI. You can fill up the herb basket all the way to the max, but you can also just use a portion. Today I just do a half. The Catnip Hydrosol also a little bit milky. If you're making the Catnip Hydrosol for your cat, be careful of a few things. First, use a pure Catnip Hydrosol. Don't add anything in the hydrosol. And also remember, do a deep clean of your device, your still, before you're making the Catnip Hydrosol, because some other herbs may irritate or agitate your cat. So do a good cleaning before making your Catnip Hydrosol. And the second, just use small batch and keep in the fridge when you don't use it, because there's no any preservative or additive in the hydrosol. You know, hydrosol itself has a pretty good lifetime, but when you're using for the cat, be careful. So just, you know, more cautious, saving the fridge for the better the lifetime. And the other thing, as I mentioned, is a small batch. Use up those hydrosol within a month, and then you can keep making more. So that's why the small batch is wonderful. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions about the Catnip Hydrosol and how to use or other hydrosol you want to learn, so leave comments. Please like the video, share, subscribe channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.